All right, in this video, we are to simplify this particular expression. Before I proceed, one thing I often tell my students to do is whenever you see an indices problem like this, you need to reduce to its least possible base. And there is a common possible base we can use here, that is 3. So the first thing I will do is 3 raised to power x minus 2 cannot be reduced further, but we can reduce 9. So we can have 3 raised to power x minus 2, then multiplied by 9 can be turned to 3 raised to power 2, right, into bracket what, x plus 1, then times 27. 27 basically is 3 times 3 times 3, right? That's 3 raised to power 3. So that will give us 3 raised to power 3 into bracket what, minus what, x, right? Then divided by 81. 81 basically should be 3 raised to power 5, no? 3 raised to power 4, yes. So 81 will give us 3 raised to the power of what, 4, then into bracket 5x minus 3. So this can be further written as 3 raised to power x minus 2, right, times 3 raised to power 2 into bracket x plus 1, because we are going to be using this to open the whole of this, then times 3 raised to power 3 into bracket minus x, then everything divided by 3 raised to power 4 into bracket 5x minus what, 3. Now, how do we solve this further? So to solve this further, we just need to recall the law of indices. But okay, let's first open the brackets, So this one can be written as 3 raised to power x minus 2, then times 3 raised to power 2 times x, that is 2x, then 2 times 1, that's plus 2, then multiply by 3 raised to power 3 times minus x, that is minus 3x, then divided by 3 raised to power 4 times 5x, that is what, 20x, then 4 times minus 3 minus what, 12. So from the laws, one of the laws of indices, that is multiplication law, you need to recall that a raised to the power of x times a raised to power of y times a raised to power of z and so on can be written as a raised to power x plus y plus z, as long as the base are the same. So that implies that we can write this to give us what, 3 raised to power x minus 2 plus 2x plus 2, right, plus minus 3x, right, then divided by 3 raised to power 20x minus what, 12. So by solving further, then we now have, it will now give us what? So let's do some mathematics. This will give us 3 raised to the power of what? Let's collect like terms. X plus 2x, that is 3x. Then 3x minus 3x. So this one, okay, let me first open this. This one can still be written as x minus 2 plus 2x plus 2 plus times minus, that's minus 3x, then divided by 3 raised to power 20x minus 12. So with this, I think we are almost through. Then we now have this will give us 3 raised to power. So let's collect like terms of the power. That's x plus 2x, 3x, 3x minus 3x, that is 0. Then we have, so we can say 0, let's just put it there, minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2, that is what? 0. So 0 plus 0, then everything over 3 raised to power 20x minus what? 12. So this will return 0 plus 0, that's 3 raised to power 0 over 3 raised to power what? 20x minus what? 12. Now, from the law of indices again, we need to remember that, recall that what? A raised to power x over a raised to power y is the same thing as a raised to power x minus what? Y. So that implies that this particular 3 raised to power 0 can be written as what? 3 raised to power 0 minus, then open bracket, 20x minus what? 12. So this will now give us 3 raised to power. Now this 0 doesn't make any sense. We only use this minus to open this bracket. That will be 3 raised to power minus 20x. Then minus times minus, that's plus what? 12. So finally this will return 3 raised to power what? 12 minus what? 20x. All I did was just to rearrange this particular expression. So this is the simplified form of this particular problem. I want to believe that this video has helped someone. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like our videos, and be looking forward to seeing your comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.